So Rajasthan Royals is already out even before the IPL season commences, but they are not out of the season. Rather, they are going out from the hands of the existing shareholders and owners of this franchise because the decision has been taken that this franchise is going to be now sold for 15,000 crores, by the way. And obviously, since this is going to be a transaction, there's a corporate legal angle to it. Now, if you have been following my videos, I have already explained that these IPL teams are nothing but a company holding an intellectual property for this franchise. However, that company does not only hold that intellectual property, right? Rather, it holds a lot of contracts, sponsorships, also can have liabilities as well. And that is why when an IPL team is to be bought, like in this case, Rajasthan Royals is being bought, the buyer will not only acquire the intellectual property rights in isolation. Rather, what they'll do, like they are doing in this case, is that they will acquire the entire company. Now, how does this transaction work legally? This will happen through a share purchase agreement, which means that the existing shareholders will sell out their shares to the new incoming investors. And then these incoming investors will not just own the intellectual property, rather the entire company and their underlying assets. And now what you have to understand here is that if this was an ordinary company transaction, then yes, the agreements would be done, the filings would take place and the transaction was done. However, this is not an ordinary transaction because there is a regulator type body, it's not a regulator, that is BCCI, that is going to be involved in this. And unless BCCI approves of this transaction is not going to be complete. And it is already mentioned that this transaction will take place only once this IPL season ends.